Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic and Best Car Fixes. Thank you for taking your time and watching my video. Today we are talking about Acura MDX, or all models almost. It could be the same for Acura, Honda cars. How to retrieve radio code. When you disconnect the battery, you can lose the radio code. Most of the time it's come in the glove compartment with the book, with the manuals, repair manuals or information manuals, and that it will be written there. Sometimes people lose their books or the handbooks or the manuals, and you will not get it. But in case that happen, there is a way that you can get the key code, or I mean the pin code for it, or radio code or navigation code. There is the car. As soon as you turn the ignition on, you start the car, look there, or the navigation system will come on. I don't know which one is locked, but let me turn the radio on or navigation on. Just wait a little bit. The navigation is working, right? But the radio is not working. So navigation system, we have no problem with it. I can say okay, and everything will be good. Navigation is working. But the radio, when you turn the radio on, you see I turn the radio off, I turn the radio on, I'm getting code, error code 4. So you put the pin code like 4 times, right? Because if you put the pin code more than 5 times wrong or 6 times, it will shut down the whole car. It will shut down the whole radio. You have to leave the ignition on for at least 1 hour to reset the number of the code. Right now, how you get the code? First, you need to turn the radio off. You're gonna push 1 and 6 together, and then turn the radio on, or just the radio on and push 1 and 6 together. Let me see. Yeah, no, it doesn't come like that. You have to push them together. So 5 and 6, and you turn the radio off. Look there. Now push 5 and 6. Okay, I'm gonna push 5 and 6 together. Radio is off. Then you turn the radio on. Yeah, you see now that's the serial number. You're gonna take this serial number and you call the dealer and give them the information, the serial number, and they will give you the code. I already get the code for the radio. You see the same serial number here. It's 300204, and it gives me 2 options. One is 24362. So I'm gonna try to see 24336. You see there, 36 and then 2. Yes. I'm gonna stop the radio because of the music copyright. But this is how it is. So the first code is for this car. You get the serial number, write it down, give it to the dealer will convert it for you, and then you're gonna put it into your book. Sometime if you open those, did you look there? It's not there? It's not there, right? Nobody write it down. Give me this. Sometimes people writing it by hand.
That's the navigation code.
This is the navigation 7129. That's the navigation code. So we don't have the C, so write it down here. The first one, the 24362. That one is done. Now your radio is good. Don't try to put false radio more than 5-6 times. It's gonna lock, and if it to leave the car on, ignition on, radio on for 1 hour, it will delete the code. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video.